It's a crisp early Saturday morning, and we're in Fairmont, Indiana at the James Dean Car Show. This show's been going on since the mid 70s. It's a great show. Let's check out the swap meet.
Wants to welcome you to the 43rd annual James Dean Run. And we do have a lot of volunteers. We appreciate each and every one of them. On the list of news this year, and I think it'll be well worth watching. Up here in the front of the pavilion at 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m., you'll watch Bill and Carl. How many minutes? Nobody really knows.
There ain't much left of this
They
thing.
really are. So bring it here to the pavilion for the demo.
Inside look like.
Stop by the visit with the crew. Also,
I haven't tried anything, let me know.
2600.
Just a camera?
Everything on the long L-shaped table is $1 each. Pictures are $100.
What you got on this Merc Dash?
Ed Merc Dash out 300.
Okay, thank you.
There's some inserts over here too. We need inserts.
Okay. What do you get, Plymouth? How much you got on that?
3.5.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff hasn't been out or hadn't been out for 20, 30 years.
Yeah.
I actually forgot I had that.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. You just want me to leave the hood stacked up and rearrange this little area where the other
Oh,
hood's
these are
at?
cool. I got a bunch of these hanging in the garage.
Everything on the long L-shaped tables is $1 a piece.
What you got on the moon caps?
Those are 45 a piece. And I got the elk codes somewhere from the 14 to 15.
There. See where to see where to see it.
Coke.
Oh. I got a bunch of those moon caps hanging in the garage that are all pinstriped over the years.
I think these are 14s and 15s.
Yeah. You got a lot of cool stuff.
Thanks. Keeps my elk out in the garage.
This is true, 'cause we are full. Okay, those have to come up off.
It is what it is. Have a good day. Hey, you too.
And so there's up here in the pavilion, bring a chair or whatever you want you to sit down and watch it. And we're going to see how many minutes they can put this car back together. And then
Plates are $5 a piece.
And they're going to do a 1 and they're going to do a 3. Right here in front of the pavilion. So just come on up here.
Can't beat it.
Dad, why are there a whole bunch of stickers that say Z?
How much you got on this? Okay, thank you. What about the drive-in speaker? Okay. Those dashes are nice. How'd you end up with them?
Huh?
How'd you get these?
Pulled them out of the cars.
Wow. What you got on this?
600.
Okay. You got more dashes coming out?
No.
No.
last time it was driven in 95.
Oh yeah?
That's why I just left the plates on.
Oh, okay.
My garage since 95.
You've had it that long?
Yeah. It runs great.
Probably come on somewhere.
My son's got a 53 shooter pickup truck.
Radial fire. I mean, he does a good job. I buy him like little Holly carburetors. He puts spark plugs. He makes, you know, he got the grill shell. We take like a condenser.
I'm killing myself when I'm buying aluminum.
Yeah. Well, we go someplace and set up. We know so many people that somebody walk by and before they, my wife.
Riding in style.
I wouldn't say off-road down.
I got pictures.
All right. We'd like to thank you for being here. I think it'll be well worth watching. Up here in the front of the pavilion at 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m., you'll watch the crew build a car. How many minutes? Nobody really knows. But we'll look at how fast they really are. So bring it here to the pavilion for the demo and stop by the visit with the crew. Also,
I haven't found anything, let me know.
Well, he's back here and we appreciate you supporting us. Let's go back next year along with you.
What is Ohio?
If you got a request,
Michigan and Illinois.
feel free to ask.
This is from
If I have it, I'll just grab it for
Okay,
you.
how much do you get for it? Their price on the back. If you get a few, we'll cut them down in the price. You know what I'm saying? They're more expensive than yours.
Oh, did you just buy it?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. What you guys gonna do with it?
he's gonna fix it up for me.
Cool. Where's it going?
Ohio.
All right. Is it gonna be here next year?
I don't think I'll get it done in a year.
Yeah, I understand that.
can actually put, like I've done motorcycles, I've put your bike